Hi, my name is Geraint Williams. I'm a consultant ophthalmologist working in Herefordshire and in Worcestershire. So I decided to become a doctor because I loved science in school, in particular biology, and I was looking for a career where I could work with people and I get the opportunity to help them. Ophthalmology is something that I grew into, having had time as a medical student and really enjoyed it. I did my elective abroad in an ophthalmology setting. And I think what really appealed and what I love about my job is the mixture of medicine and surgery, which there are not many careers in medicine that give us that opportunity. I think there are many very rewarding aspects to my career, but I think without doubt the ability to help people either to see again or to make their life more enjoyable is the biggest motivator for me as an ophthalmologist. I think what my patients value the most about me is my honesty and my ability to explain things and to try and take them along on the journey with them to try and help them either to see better or to improve their ocular health.